Hello, I just wanted to show you something that I think can save you some time in the future. You can maintain your product catalog offline in spreadsheets, which can save you some time if you're going to update the prices on, say, 20 items or so. For example, I'm going to create a new category, a new table, which is essentially a category. I'm going to call it test. I'm going to add a single product in there just for our little test. These are all fields that we use on the other tables, but I'm just going to leave them blank just for this test. And I'm going to add an item to our new table. Pull down to that table and click on Add Item. Going to make the ID, just doesn't really matter what it is, but I'm just going to make it 2001, and I'm going to call it Stuff and leave the rest blank. So now I have my new item here. It's automatically made the code 2001 too, and I'm going to change that, but I'm going to change it in my spreadsheet instead, just for example. And to get the spreadsheet to my computer, I come to Upload over here, and over here is a Download button where I can download the spreadsheet. I have to choose which table I want to download into a spreadsheet. So you have to do each one separately. You can't do them all together. So I'm going to choose Test. It's going to download the file to my computer. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And you can see here are all the fields that we need. Of course, if you have an image field, you won't see it in here. But if you want to replace information, the images will remain the same, and you can manage them all on the website. For example, let's just change the code to this is stuff. Well, the code should probably be more code-like, so I'll say Stuff 1. It really doesn't matter what you put there. That's for your internal usage, really. I'm not going to be using it. And I'm going to also, for this example, add a new item here, 2002, and I'm going to call it Stuff 2. Yes. And I'm also going, since we didn't add a price before, go ahead and do that just for example. And we'll call it More Stuff. And now I'm going to export the file to a CSV, which Microsoft Excel can also do this. And now that I've saved it to a CSV, I'm going to come back to our website and click Upload. Choose the table we want to replace, and if you choose Add, this will add any new items and it'll replace any existing items. If you're not adding anything, you can do Rebuild, but it's just as well to do this, even if you aren't. Going to go ahead and choose my file to upload. Click the Upload button. And now you get to review before committing your changes and make sure everything's okay. So you can see the code that was previously set to 2001 has been updated, and the price that was previously empty has been updated. And not only that, I've got my new item I've added in my spreadsheet. So if I click Commit, you'll see the changes are reflected. It asks you to confirm your addition. Now if I come over to items, you'll see that we now have both of these items, and all the information is up to date. So if you're working with a lot of items and changing a lot of items, this can save you a lot of time. Thank you.